Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write your very first blog using AI and how you can also optimize it for SEO. So let's get started. Right here, you can see this blog that I generated using ChatGPT. To create this blog, I used a detailed prompt that gives you a fully structured, human-sounding article. If you want this prompt, just drop a comment below and I'll share it with you. All you have to do is copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and then enter your topic, just like I did. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate a complete, professional, and SEO-friendly blog for you within seconds. Now let me show you what to do next. How to optimize this blog for SEO and make it live on your website. First, copy the entire blog and open your WordPress dashboard. Now my WordPress dashboard is open, so I'm going to go to the Post section and click Add New. Okay, the post editor is open. Next, I'll grab the title I saved earlier, copy it, and paste it into the post title field. After the title, I select the rest of the content I prepared and copy it all at once. Then I come back to this post editor and paste everything into the body. And there we go, the post is now added. Now I'll optimize the post for SEO. Up top, you'll see a score out of 100. If we optimize well, that number will go up. I'm using Rank Math for this post, so I'll go through it step by step and improve the title, meta description, focus keyword, headings, internal links, and image alt text until that SEO score looks great. Now let's do the first step, adding the focus keyword. Your focus keyword is the main primary keyword of your blog, and Rank Math analyzes your entire content around this keyword to help you get the perfect SEO score. The best part is that Rank Math lets you add up to 5 focus keywords for a single blog post, while most other plugins only allow 1. I've added 2 focus keywords here, and now we'll optimize the entire blog according to these keywords so we can improve our ranking potential. After adding the focus keywords, now we'll go to Edit Snippet and make our meta title, meta description, and slug SEO friendly. You can manually write your own title and description here, but I prefer using Rank Math's Content AI to generate them. As soon as I click on Generate AI, it opens up and creates a title and description based on my blog title and summary. If you want a fresh version, you can simply generate a new one the same way. Here you can see I generated a new set, and there's an insert option right below it. So I'm just going to click Insert, and it gets added automatically. The title and description are now in place, and if I feel like tweaking anything, I can easily edit them. Next, we'll add the slug. The slug is the part of the URL that appears when someone opens your blog post. Try to include your main keyword in the slug as well. This helps improve your SEO. Here you can see I've created a clean, SEO-friendly slug. So now we've successfully set our slug, meta title, and meta description. Next, we'll add outbound and inbound links to our blog. Outbound links are links that point to websites other than your own. For example, in this blog, I've mentioned tools like Canva, Ideogram, and Leonardo. So when I add their links, those will be counted as outbound links. These help Google understand that your content is well-researched and connected to credible sources. After adding outbound links, we'll move on to inbound links. Inbound simply means linking to another page or article within your own website. This is an important SEO best practice because it helps users navigate your site easily and also boosts your overall website authority. After adding the inbound and outbound links, you can already see that our SEO score is improving. Now we're going to add images to the blog and optimize them as well. First, I'll open the media library and select the image I want to use. Once the image is selected, I'll add an alt tag. This is where you describe the image in a clear way and make sure your main keyword is included naturally. After adding the alt tag, the image is fully optimized. And as you can see, we've covered all the important SEO points for this blog, and our score has improved even more. We've already fixed most of the major SEO points, and now we'll handle the smaller details. For example, if any of our headings are missing the primary keyword, we'll add it. Just follow the suggestions Rank Math gives you. Whatever errors it highlights, you can fix them one by one, and your SEO score will continue to improve. Rank Math has also added Content AI inside the editor. If your headings or content don't include the main keyword properly, Content AI analyzes everything and suggests new heading options that are keyword optimized. This is one of the best features because it helps you fix multiple issues instantly. You can see here, I also used Content AI to fix several errors, and my SEO score increased even more. Once everything looks good, we'll publish the blog. I'm just clicking on the Publish button. And done. The blog is now live. When I open it, you can see a clean table of contents and a complete SEO-friendly article ready for readers. And that's it. You can also write your blog with ChatGPT, optimize it with Rank Math, and publish it just like this. Thanks for watching the video, and if you want the prompt, just drop a comment below.